A bigger paycheck feels like progress, but for most people, it's the moment wealth quietly slips further away. And once you see the full chain reaction, you can't unsee it. The promotion comes through. The email hits your inbox. Congratulations. More responsibility, more status, more money. You celebrate. Maybe upgrade the apartment. Maybe trade in the car. Maybe finally live a little. And somehow, a few months later, nothing feels different, except busier. Even financial experts call this normal, which is usually a sign nobody's questioning it. The official explanation is simple. People say higher income leads to higher wealth. Earn more, save more, invest more. Problem solved. That story sounds neat, but it leaves out something critical. Because the moment income rises, expectations rise faster, and that's where the math stops adding up. Raises don't just increase your pay, they increase your lifestyle ceiling. Nicer dinners become routine, better neighborhoods feel justified, subscriptions multiply quietly, vacations shift from budget to "we deserve this." It's not reckless spending, it's incremental comfort. This isn't irresponsibility, it's incentive design. The system rewards visible success. Bigger house, better car, cleaner wardrobe. You're nudged to look upgraded before you're actually secure. It's like increasing your engine power, but also increasing the weight of the car. But this is still the small part of the story, because the real damage starts when fixed costs expand. Rent increases, car payments grow, insurance adjusts upward, property taxes climb, lifestyle locks in. Now your higher salary isn't freedom, it's obligation. Optimism leads to upgrades. Upgrades lead to higher monthly burn. Higher burn leads to pressure. Pressure leads to dependence on the next raise. And suddenly, your financial stability depends on constant forward motion. If income stalls, even briefly, everything feels fragile. Some people call this ambition. Others call it a treadmill. The breaking point isn't dramatic. There's no headline, no market crash. Just one unexpected expense, one job loss scare, one economic slowdown. Liquidity tightens, savings feel thin, credit fills the gap. If financial security had a pulse, this is where it starts skipping beats. And here's why this still affects you. Because each raise reshapes your baseline. Housing prices stretch to match incomes. Inflation absorbs spending power. Debt becomes normalized. Job stress increases because lifestyle now depends on it. You didn't consciously choose to trade freedom for comfort, but the trade happened anyway. The illusion is subtle. More income feels like progress, but progress without margin is pressure. Real wealth isn't built by expanding lifestyle. It's built by expanding ownership. Assets, investments, cash flow that doesn't require your time. Raises can accelerate that, but only if your lifestyle doesn't accelerate first. Financial systems don't trap people with low income. They trap people with rising income and rising expectations. And the difference between looking successful and being secure is what you do before the next raise ever arrives.